Hi, this is Mitchell with BrainWire. I want to show you our 4x4 RGB LED Matrix Module. This module is a great way to add some very exciting color combinations to your project. This module is compatible with Arduino as well as just about any other microcontroller. It consists of 16 LED chips configured in a 4x4 matrix pattern. Each one of these LED chips can produce the full spectrum of colors because there's actually red, green, and blue LEDs integrated in each one of these chips. Now these LED chips are each addressed individually in a serial communication format. That means that this array only requires 4 pins to control. You have a positive, a negative, an input, and an output. The input will receive the digital signal from your microcontroller. The output is an optional connection where you can daisy chain more of these modules together and address them all over the serial bus from your microcontroller. This module operates on 5 volts DC. You can control this module with your microcontroller very simply because it includes the WS2812B control IC. To interface this device with your microcontroller, you simply need to find the WS2812B control library, which is available for Arduino and most other popular microcontrollers.